how to fix HTTP error 431 in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Basically, this is a network connection error, and such type of message, this page is not working, will appear on your screen. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is clear browser caches. Open your browser, go to settings, go to privacy and security, and here choose clear browsing data. Here select all time and make the check against all the options, accept your passwords and choose clear data. Again, go to same page and click on three horizontal dot and choose more tools, and here you will find the option extension. Click on manage extension and remove all your browser extensions. Sometimes these extensions may be a cause of HTTP error 431 in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So remove all your extension. The next workaround to fix this issue is clear your DNS caches. Type CMD in Windows search box and choose its run as administrator. Open command prompt Windows and execute the command as shown on the screen. ipconfig / flush DNS. It will clear your DNS caches and your network connection will resolved accordingly. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, launch your browser, click on your profile icon and choose option choose another account and follow on screen instruction to complete the process with a new profile. The next option is reinstall your browser. Go to run command box, type appwiz.cpl and select your current browser and choose uninstall options and reinstall your Google Chrome browser or other Chrome browser, whichever you use. That's all.